In this video, we are going to show you how to create logos using Canva's AI logo generator. So once you've logged in, what you want to do is look towards your left. There's a create button here, so click on this. A pop-up will appear. Under create new, what you want to do is click on logo. It is 500 by 500 pixels, so click on this. A new tab will appear. This is going to be our blank canvas for our logo. So once this is loaded up, what you want to do is, again, look towards your left. You have your main menu here. I want you to scroll all the way down to apps. Under apps on the search bar, you want to type in AI logo maker. There you go, AI logo maker. Click on it, and it's going to load up all the options that are available right now. There you go. There are a lot of options here. This one you can create once a day. This one usually is one of the best, but it's currently, as of this recording, having issues with loading and network. So we're going to choose logo mockup. There you go. And here, generate mode, it's either one image or multi images, right? And then you have your prompt. This is where you tell your or describe your prompt on what type of logo you want this AI tool to generate. On the logo image, we just need to upload any image you want to use. For this example, we're just going to use this anime horse girl. And once that's done, we want to click generate. And now your image is being generated. It may take a few moments. Please be patient. Now, again, if it's just one logo generation, it's going to take a bit faster. If it's multiple, then it might take a bit longer. So we just wait for it to finish. And as you can see, it is now done. It says horseshoe stud, horse racing breeding. So what we want to do now, if you want to put it here, add to design. And then as you can see, we just need to make it as big as how we want it to be in terms of the size, right? So let's do that like that. And now you have your logo. You just need to fix it and adjust it the way you want it to. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.